Today we're going to talk about finding scale on a graph. Scale is the number you are counting by on a graph. It is important to pay attention to scale when you read a graph in order to read it correctly. Let's look at the first example. This graph is telling us the age of different children. We need to know the scale in order to read it. We look at the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The numbers are counting by 1. Scale is simply the number you're counting by on a graph. So the scale of this bar graph is 1. Let's take a look at another graph. This graph is telling us the amount of money made at a lemonade stand. So looking at these numbers, we see 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. As you can see, we're counting by 5s. So the scale of this graph is 5. Here's another example. This graph is telling us the number of each color of Skittles in a bag. To find the scale, we need to see what number we're counting by. We have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. As you can see, we're counting by 2s. The scale of this graph is 2. And here's our last example. On this graph, we're looking at the number of different garden vegetables. This graph is going vertical, which means it is going up and down. So the numbers are on the side. We have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. As you can see, we're counting by 10. The scale of this graph is 10. Now this concludes our lesson on finding the scale of a graph.